The day began with the harvest of the magnificent purple turnips.
With the harvest secured, the big cats loaded up the tractor for the trip back to the barn. But farm life always brings unexpected splashes. Kitten 2 found a new way to enjoy the mud.
Don't worry, Kitten 2. Big Cat is here to use his engineering skills to save the day.
Teamwork makes the dream work as they haul the colorful bounty back home. Time for a bubbly bath. Big Cat ensures all his little ones are sparkling clean.
Drying time is often the silliest time, especially with a mischievous friend like Kitten 1.
Using the low setting, Big Cat makes sure everyone is dry right down to the last whisker.
Before cooking, every vegetable must be perfectly clean. Look how Big Cat scrubs. Next, careful slicing. The precise way to prepare the purple root vegetables.
Preparing the protein, a vital step in creating a nutritious meal for the family.
The aroma of sautéed meat and sweet onions fills the kitchen as Big Cat cooks.
Combining the rich meat mixture with colorful farm vegetables for a hearty dinner.
Dinner time. A well-deserved, delicious meal shared by the core family. The perfect end to a busy day. A warm, cozy sleep surrounded by loved ones.
Ready for a town adventure! Big Cat drives the scooter while Kitten 1 enjoys the ride.
Stopping suddenly, Big Cat sees a sad sight. A lost poster for Kitten 2. The whole family gathers, showing off their beautiful home and strong bonds. Time to design our new kite. Creativity flows between Big Cat and Kitten 1.
A joyful celebration. Happy 4th birthday to one of the kittens.
Every kitten lends a paw to decorate the masterpiece, adding the final, sweet touches.
Delivering gifts for the celebration. Big Cat powers the delivery vehicle.
Building the frame takes patient and precise measurements. Kitten 1 assists Big Cat with the bamboo reeds. Back to the basics, preparing the meat for tonight's hearty dinner.
The savory meat and farm vegetables are blended perfectly over the heat.
Time to assemble the famous cat hot dogs. Kitten 1 is ready with the tangy mustard.
The scent of barbecue smoke drifts across the yard as Big Cat tends the grill.
Nothing beats a freshly grilled hot dog on a sunny afternoon. So good.
The delivery route starts now. Big Cat transports the canned goods through the neighborhood.
Welcome to the neighborhood hot dog stand. Everything is only $1.99 today.
A successful transaction. Kitten 1 keeps the till organized and secure.
With the day's earnings secured, Big Cat and Kitten 1 leave the toy shop with excitement.
Towing the best new toy home. Look at the giant building blocks they acquired.
The new cat tower is an instant hit. The kittens explore every level of their climbing adventure. If you're enjoying this adventure, please show your support and hit that subscribe button.
Refining the design, Big Cat and Kitten 1 work diligently on the kite frame.
Success! Their custom paw print kite dances beautifully in the open sky.
Transporting the crisp cabbages, Kitten 2 joins the fun on the second wagon.
The sudden downpour caught Kitten 2 unprepared, seeking shelter alone.
Big Cat immediately provides warmth and comfort to Kitten 2 during the storm.
Warming up and drying off after the unexpected shower is crucial.
Washing the cabbage thoroughly, following the same careful preparation steps.
The vegetable and meat medley simmers slowly, developing deep, rich flavors.
Big Cat lovingly feeds Kitten 2, ensuring everyone enjoys their healthy portion.
Whipping the cream to perfect stiffness for dessert. Look at that volume. Crispy goodness coming up. Big Cat expertly deep fries the chicken pieces.
Delivery complete. The White Labrador customer eagerly accepts the hot fried chicken order. Selling fresh farm produce at the local market. Kitten 3 is the best greeter.
Another successful sale of crisp, green cabbage, handled efficiently by the team.
A familiar, sad sight even here in the bustling market. Kitten 2 is still missing.
After running errands, the cat stopped by the sweet shop. So many colorful treats. Kite flying outing. Big Cat ferries the crew and the kite through the park pathways.
A moment of quiet appreciation for their successful kite flight high above the blooms.
A walk in the park allows for exploration and companionship amongst the whole group.
Oh dear, Kitten 1 had a little accident. Big Cat provides immediate, tender care.
Big Cat transports the slightly injured Kitten 1 and Kitten 2 safely through the busy urban landscape.
The best medicine after an injury is playtime. Big Cat and Kitten 1 enjoy the sunny lawn.
Even with a head bandage, kite day must go on. Look how high it flies!
Back to the workshop to build more airborne wonders. Craftsmanship in action. Harvesting the necessary materials requires strength and focus from Big Cat. As the sun sets, Big Cat and Kitten 1 enjoy a peaceful evening stroll home.
Picking the sweetest strawberries of the season, a perfect snack awaits.
Cleaning vegetables is a multi-cat activity. Watch Kitten 4 learn the washing technique.
Mastering the art of the fold. Big Cat shows the kittens how to seal the delicious dumplings.
The final savory stew comes together, combining meat, broth, and garden vegetables.
Big Cat adds the final delicate touches to the beautiful celebration cake.
The whole family celebrates together, singing loudly for the birthday star.
Kitten 1 gains independence, confidently riding his own little blue tricycle.
A relaxing afternoon tea break shared between Big Cat and the ever-present Kitten 1.
Nourishing the young one. Big Cat ensures Kitten 1 gets all the necessary nutrition.
Kitten 1 switches to his personal orange trike, enjoying the freedom of movement. Big Cat returns inside after a long day of outdoor activities.
Don't worry, little one. Big Cat will help you find your way back.
A refreshing swim requires thorough drying by the meticulous Big Cat.
Getting the pool ready. Big Cat and Kitten 1 inflate the giant watermelon float.
Splash time. Kitten 1 enjoys floating while the other kittens play in the cool water.
Oh no! A sea turtle is trapped in some dangerous netting on the beach. Big Cat and Kitten 1 immediately start cleaning up the plastic pollution to make the beach safe.
Preparing for the cooler weather by gathering sturdy firewood. Carrying the winter fuel supply back to the cabin, Kitten 1 trails Big Cat.
It's time for the famous fried chicken again. Big Cat manages the hot oil perfectly.
Another satisfied customer. The White Labrador loves Big Cat's crispy chicken.
Decorating the magnificent strawberry layer cake for the next celebration.
Kneading the dough requires patience and even pressure, skills the kittens are learning.
The baking project is complete. A beautiful cake made by the whole family.
Happy birthday to the lucky member of the family. Let the party begin.
Settling down after the excitement, the family enjoys the quiet calm outside their home.
Kitten 1 proudly maneuvers his little blue bike through the colorful blooms.
Sharing a sweet lollipop on a beautiful afternoon. The best kind of bonding moment.
Bringing the kite fun to the seaside. The wind catches the paw print perfectly.
Visiting the local bakery, Big Cat admires the array of sweet treats available.
The White Labrador is a regular customer, deciding on the perfect pastry today.
Big Cat delivers the baked order with a friendly nod to his canine friend.
Time for an over-the-top, colorful celebration cake decoration session.
A peaceful night's rest, the strong bond between Big Cat and Kitten 1 keeping them warm.
Another delivery run, this time transporting gifts via bicycle trailer.
Kitten 1 enjoys a quiet afternoon walk through the historic town square with the friendly Labrador. And
the whole crew is out selling fresh cabbages at the busy morning market.
The pool is full of balls and happy kittens having a magnificent aquatic play date.
Dinner preparation continues. A delicious mix of savory meat and tender vegetables.
Even the Labrador helps with dessert. Watch how gently he spreads the frosting.
The entire group puts the final festive touches on the massive birthday cake.
A fantastic birthday celebration filled with cheer, cake, and wonderful friends.
Even our canine friend wants you to subscribe. Join the fun today.
Washing fresh orange carrots for today's meal preparation.
Precision cutting the carrots into perfect little coins for the stew.
Oh dear, a flower disaster. Big Cat accidentally created a white cloud.
Cleaning up the flour mess by putting it to good use, kneading dough.
Retrieving the ground meat from the cool storage, preparing for the next step.
Combining the protein and the freshly cut carrots into the main mixture.
The delicate art of shaping the baozi dough continues under the watchful eyes of the kittens.
enjoying the fruits of their labor. Warm, homemade baozi.
Baking inspiration strikes. If you love sweets, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Using specialized tools to create perfectly uniform pastry shapes. Guided by Big Cat.
Time to clean up the fried chicken emporium. Big Cat ensures everything is spotless for tomorrow. Exploring the deeper woods today, Big Cat guides Kitten 1 through the towering trees.
Chopping wood requires coordination and strength, a lesson Big Cat demonstrates well.
The head chef, Big Cat, prepares to run the busy service shift at the kitchen station.
Perfectly charred meat skewers are grilling. Kitten 4 waits patiently for a taste.
Ketchup application complete. Kitten 1 is excited to finish making his perfect hot dog.
The strawberry cream cake is nearing completion, looking fresh and delicious.
Even after dark, Big Cat continues making essential deliveries across the town.
A moment of quiet reflection as Big Cat watches the moon rise over the countryside.
Enjoying a quiet evening snack of tea and cookies with Kitten 1.
Freshly caught fish being grilled right on the sand for a seaside dinner.
Safety first at the beach. Big Cat wears his sun hat, and Kitten 1 wears his swim ring.
Soaking up the sun and enjoying tasty grilled fish by the cool, clear pool water.
Big Cat surprises Kitten 1 with a cool blast of water.
Splish, splash.
Kitten 1 practices his steering skills, cycling happily through the vibrant garden.
Big Cat offers gentle, soothing words to Kitten 1, whose bandage needs constant checking.
Transporting the injured Kitten 1 through the city requires Big Cat's utmost attention and gentle speed.
More plastic collected. Big Cat and Kitten 1 are making a real difference on the beach.
Working together, Big Cat frees the trapped sea turtle from the dangerous netting.
Big Cat watches over the whole group enjoying the refreshing pool day together.
Healthy choices. Big Cat ensures everyone eats plenty of fresh produce.
The final steps of cooking the wholesome meat and vegetable dish are underway.
Kitten 2 is being lovingly fed by Big Cat, while the others enjoy their food.
A quiet moment of celebration and thanks in front of their beloved home.
Enjoying the summer heat responsibly, hats and safety gear on.
Continuing the beach cleanup mission, collecting every piece of scattered plastic.
Ultimate relaxation, sunbathing, pool access, and fresh grilled fish.
Cooling down with delicious ice cream under the shade on a very hot day.
Another wonderful birthday tribute to the special members of our family.
Learning the gentle craft of knitting. Big Cat teaches the kittens the loop technique. Moving from the bright outdoors into the comfortable interior space. Planting new seeds for the garden. Big Cat and Kitten 1 cultivate the earth. Even after minor injuries, Big Cat provides constant reassurance and care for Kitten 1.
A conscious ride through the city streets for the temporarily injured Kitten 1.
Visiting the vet for a professional checkup on Kitten 1's injury.
Big Cat handles the administrative tasks and planning on the computer.
Consulting the digital recipe book for the perfect consistency of the evening stew.
Stirring the hearty, savory stew, ensuring all ingredients meld together beautifully.
Big Cat personally ensures the recovering Kitten 1 gets every last spoonful of the nutritious stew.
Administering recovery liquids to speed up Kitten 1's healing process.
Another kitchen mishap. Milk and eggs everywhere. The kittens react to the surprise spill.
If this part of the story brought a smile, please give us a subscribe.
Kitten 3 finds the perfect, quiet vantage point inside a simple cardboard fort in the park.
A lovely outdoor picnic featuring fresh produce for the entire assembled family.
All aboard the Toy Express. Big Cat drives the train for Kitten 1 and Kitten 3.
A calm moment of enjoying their kite-flying success in the open park.
Transporting gifts to friends using the trusty bicycle trailer system.
Family time outdoors, where Big Cat shares a moment with the observant Kitten 3.
Finalizing the kite structure, ensuring every joint on the bamboo frame is secure.
The highlight of the party, singing and celebrating around the beautiful birthday cake.
The baking lesson continues as the family prepares more dough for treats.
Preparing healthy, portioned meals for the week, full of colorful vegetables and protein.
The efficient cutting of carrots by Big Cat, monitored by the eager kittens.
Big Cat transports Kitten 1 and Kitten 3 safely by bicycle and trailer.
A perfect family picnic, filled with laughter, fresh food, and togetherness. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more adventures with Big Cat and the whole family.
The family relaxing together, enjoying the tranquility of the local park.
Kitten 1 masterfully handles his orange tricycle through the garden maze.
Picking and washing the sweet harvest of bright red strawberries.
Washing the delicate strawberries carefully before eating.
Oops. Another sticky situation involving spilled milk and eggs.
The baking continues, with Big Cat demonstrating the proper technique for working the dough.
The sound of hot oil meeting crispy chicken batter, sizzling perfection.
Decorating the cake with vibrant colors and sweet candies with the entire kitten crew.
The celebration grows. The Labrador joins the cats for the birthday festivities.
This cake is a rainbow explosion of sweets and sugary delights.
The final wish made, ready to blow out the candles on the evening cake.
This wonderful family, full of adventures and treats, thanks you for watching. Subscribe.